In today's video, I unstick a stuck fan. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to be working on my ceiling fan in my bathroom, or my vent fan. This fan was put in probably in the 80s. It's really old and I'm not ready to replace it yet because it still works, but the reason why it gets stuck is because it's not a enclosed fan. The motor's open on it, so it pulls up all the moisture and the dust, and it just gets gummed up. What I need to do is I'm going to pull that down, pull down the cover. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it out, and I'm going to spray it with some CRC QD contact cleaner, and we'll get this going. So let's get to work. All right, here's the fan here. Let's see, I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's not going, barely, no. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down this cover. And there that goes. Okay, that's the fan that I'm working with right there. And you're probably wondering to yourself, didn't you just make a video about this not too long ago? Well, no. The video I did was with my brother-in-law Steve, where he upgraded his fan with a much more powerful one and quieter one. This one, I'm just maintaining it and trying to keep it as long as I can, so I don't have to buy a new one yet. But yeah, so right here's the motor, and you got all the windings and everything right there. Let's go ahead and start this. Spray a contact cleaner on there so it cleans up everything. And hopefully it does make a lot of noise, but one of the reasons why it makes so much noise is the bushings in the shaft is they're wearing out. So they're kind of oblong, so kind of the shaft, the fan itself kind of moves around a little bit. That's all right. Sometimes noisier is better. I just want to get some more in there, make sure it's nice, clean. Alright, that's about it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to clean the lens, the glass lens for this, put it all back up, and then we'll try it again and make sure it works. Alright, I cleaned the the light cover, so it's nice and clean now. Cleaned all the top vent and everything, so it's ready to go. Or the cover itself, that's what I meant to say. Just make sure nothing's gonna fall. Alright, that is. Let's do this. Arms were getting tired there, holding that up. It works just fine. A little noisy, but that's the way it is. Alright, this will last probably 3 to 6 months till I have to do it again. It's not a hard job. It's just, just got to find time to do it. And that's gonna do it for this one, for this video. All right, I just want to go ahead and show some of the parts that I have for sale on here. So if anybody has a 318 poly that could use them, please hit me up. Here I got started that just got rebuilt. Works perfect. It's by it was by J&H here in Ventura. So there's that. Where's that? And the carburetor, that was just rebuilt too. And that was by California Carbs in Ventura, if I remember right. Works perfect. You can see on my videos where it ran with it. Also, here is my air conditioning system with the compressor and the mount. Now, if you want this, you don't have a 318. I'm gonna sell the mount separate. I'm gonna take it off of there because not everybody has a 318. So I'm gonna do that. But if you do, tell me you want the mount too, and we'll discuss the price. With that, got the fan. I don't know if anybody wants that or not. I got a distributor with a coil. It has new wires that the owner before me put on there. It works. The car ran perfect with it. So that's up for sale. I also got the air cleaner. It still has a sticker on it. Original, I would assume. So if you would like that, please get a hold of me. And you guys know how to get a hold of me on my Instagram or Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or my Gmail at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. More than likely, I'm going to have more stuff later on. So, all right. Sorry, I was not done. I still have the transmission for sale. And if I do not sell it within the next 10 days, which I probably won't, I'm going to haul it out there into my alley. And I will be trying to sell the converter cover and the inspection cover right there. Converter cover is right there, inspection cover is right there. And I will be putting those up for sale. Now I'm done. Check out a new video every Saturday morning. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Dad Life Projects. Also, you can get a hold of me at my Gmail address at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. And since you're here, why don't you go ahead and check out these 2 videos right here. Also, hit that subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, big or small, you are the project manager. Thank you.